Good afternoon, Mohawks. We are back again for another edition of our 3M, the Mohawk Minute Movie. We hope you enjoy. Hi, Evan. Evan, will you tell me what the kindergartners have done this week at school?
We did math and...
You've done some math. Do you remember the word of the week this week? What's that word that you've been working on in class? Have you done the word the? Yeah, a bunch of times I've heard you doing the word the. Yesterday when I came in your room, you guys were doing your writing prompt. Remember the big paper with the 4 squares? Do you remember what you were drawing and writing about? We had summer and fall and winter and spring, and you were drawing about those seasons, weren't you? Yeah, we're in summer right now. Evan, what can you tell me about summertime? What do we do in the summertime?
Play.
We do what?
Play.
We play outside, right? Yeah. Do you like recess at school? Yeah. All right, do you want to say hi to anybody? You want to wave? Can you wave? Give me a smile. Hi, Cirrus.
Hi.
All right, tell us what the first graders have been doing this week. I hear you guys wrote a story. Do you remember what your story was about?
It was about wishes.
Wishes. That sounds like a fun story to write about. Was it easy or hard?
Easy.
Easy. And in math, you guys were comparing using counters. What were you comparing? Do you remember?
Numbers.
Numbers. Nice job. Big versus little. Yeah. Were there fancy words that you used? Did you use a word greater than? Yeah. And less than? Yeah, nice job. First graders this week took their first what?
Spelling test.
Yeah. And you had buddies this week. Who is your buddy? Do you remember
Nick.
Nick? Would you like to wave to Nick?
Hi, Nick.
Very nice job.
And my mom and my dad.
Okay. And you have a special visitor coming. Who's the visitor coming today?
A hedgehog.
A hedgehog. Do you know the hedgehog's name?
Cyrus.
What is it?
Cyrus.
Cyrus. Very nice. All right. Anything else you want to share?
No.
Okay. Give us a thumbs up. Hi, Emma.
Hi.
All right. Tell us what the second graders have been learning about.
So far, we've been doing a bunch of things that if you put them all together into the section that we usually put them in when we're not using them, it says build, and so far we're done with all of them except for one.
Oh, those are your math centers, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like the math centers?
Yes.
Which one do you like the best?
Probably U.
The U. Do you remember what the U stands for in build?
No.
No.
I don't really think I've read the label for it.
Oh, yeah.
Because most of the time it just has the big letter U on it.
What did you do in the U station this week?
We go over near the teacher's desk and she'll give us a paper and it'll have 2 games on it. They are Boggle and Trash or Treasure.
Ooh, and you like those?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, anybody you want to say hi to this week?
Probably all my classmates.
Oh, very nice. Give us a smile and wave. Good job. Brooklyn, tell us what the third graders are learning about this week.
We're learning realistic friction and sequence and writing. And in math, we had our first math test yesterday.
How'd that go?
Good.
Good. Is there anything else you want to share?
Yes. We were reviewing short vowels and spelling.
Mm-hmm.
And we had a writing prompt about secret passage. So we had to write about a secret passage.
Was that a fun writing prompt?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet some of those stories are pretty cool to read, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right, you want to wave hi to anyone?
My mom.
Your mom. All right.
Mom.
Awesome job. Hi, Emily.
Hi.
All right, tell us what the fourth graders have been doing this week.
So we've been doing science and learning about bees.
Yeah, I heard about that.
And there's the queen and the worker and the drone. And the drone, it doesn't have a stinger. The queen and the worker does,
the worker can only sting once. The queen can sting how many times she wants to, but she barely ever stings
Yeah.
like people unless they try to kill her.
Oh.
And it's kind of confusing too.
It is kind of confusing. You guys have a test coming up soon, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, next week on the 25th, I think.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's next week at the start of the week. All right. Anybody you want to say hi to, Emily? You wave at least? There we go. Awesome job. Hi, Lucas.
Hi,
All right. What have the 5th graders been doing this week?
we've been learning how to subtract and add big decimal numbers.
Oh, is that easy or hard?
Kind of hard.
What's the trick? What do you have to remember all the time with adding and subtracting decimals?
Put the decimal straight down.
Yeah, carry that decimal down, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know what we used to do? At my house, we used to use graph paper. Have you done that?
Mm-mm.
If you use graph paper, it helps line those up pretty easily. That's a pretty cool trick, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what else have the 5th graders been doing?
We took a math test and we
What about in reading or language arts?
learned abstract verbs,
Oh,
nouns.
abstract nouns.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah, I bet so. It sounds hard.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah. All right, anybody you want to say hi to?
All my friends and my mom.
Oh,
Hello.
very good. All right, thank you.